Hello guys, welcome back to Talent Linkers. And on today's section, we are going to be using what we've learned in our previous sections, the basics, functions, and the basic element that we've learned about Excel to clean a sales data set. So take a seat and let's get in. So this is a data set, a sales data set, and we have a lot of items you are going to be considering. We have the order ID, we have the date, we have the customer name, we have the region, we have the product, we have the quantity, unit price, and total. Also, we have 23 rows in this data set. So, we're going to be cleaning this particular data set because we notice the fact that we have some duplicate values, and also the data is not in a table format, a right table format. So we are going to be doing all those in today's episode. So at first, what are we going to do? So the first thing we have to do is we're going to first clean the duplicate value. We can start by cleaning the duplicate value, or we can also start by putting this data in a data set in a table format. You can put this in a table format. So let's first put this table in a table format. So you select and you select the data and you go to your home page, then go to your format as table, then you can select any of this. So to me, I would prefer to use this blue. Then my table as header, yes, I'll prefer my table to be the header. Then let's increase the width. Sorry. Good. So this is our table. This is our table now. So we can as well do some little things here. So let's filter. Let's try and filter. You can filter. You can sort. You can sort from smallest to the largest. You can sort largest to the smallest. You can sort by color, and you can do number filter. So on today's let's sort by region. So let's sort by region. So we do from A to Z. So good. So we have from A to Z. So we've actually sorted this column, this table by region. So we have some duplicate value in this particular data set. So what we have to do is we have to remove the duplicate value. So very simple. Then select the range of your data, then go to your data, then go to remove duplicate. Then according to what I said you can pick out of any of these. You can use them. You can even pick out of any of these particular columns that we have. So to me, I would prefer to use the order ID. And basically, why I will be using the order ID is because order ID is always a very uh, unique table, because each of the customer, each of the sales you buy, each of the things you buy, we always have an order ID. You understand? And order ID per order per the order you made per day, you are going to have an ID which is going to be very unique. So if you went back maybe twice or three times that day, you're going to have a very different order ID. So rather than actually using customer name can be somehow tricky, where customer might repeat twice or three times, and region also can be somehow tricky, including the product. So the only thing I can as well say is even dates can also be somehow tricky. You can come to buy things that same day, which our column will not see as that, and it will just remove it as duplicate. So the only thing I can as well suggest is use the order ID. But in a way, if you're not certain about what you are to use, you can just click on everything and then to your remove duplicate. So today I'll be using only the order ID. Then I'll click OK. Then voila, it's a 7 duplicate value found and removed. 15 unique values remain. Note that the count may include empty. So thank you. So now our data is somehow clean. We don't have any other duplicate again. So let's sort with other ID. So let's sort with other ID. We have 101, we have 102, 103, 104, 105. Yeah. So let's sort by other ID now. So you can see how our data looks like now, comparing to the former one that we have, right? You can see uh, how clean and how well arranged our data looks like.